Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2008 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, stability control, power mirrors. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.